What if I told you that the secret to feeling good every single day isn't found in some expensive wellness retreat or perfect Instagram moment? It's actually hiding in the mundane parts of your life that you're probably rushing right through. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jolie, and today we're diving into something that completely transformed my relationship with daily life: romanticizing your ordinary moments. Now, this isn't about escapism or fake positivity. This is about presence, intentional pleasure, and treating your life like it actually matters. Because here's the thing: you don't have to wait for big moments to feel joy. You can be the CEO of your own happiness starting today. Let's talk about behavioral activation. When you create small moments of intentional pleasure, you're literally activating dopamine pathways in your brain, improving mood, motivation, and emotional resilience. This could be as simple as lighting a candle while you cook, plating your morning smoothie like you're a chef at a five-star restaurant, or putting together a playlist that makes you feel confident and focused. I started adding a few drops of essential oil when I wash my clothes, so every time I fold them, I get this beautiful whiff that signals this moment matters. The science is clear. When we treat our lives like they're worth showing up for, our brain starts to believe it. This is self-worth signaling at its finest. Here's what this looks like in real life. When you see the sun, instead of just thinking that's nice, pause and think. Thank you, sunshine, for giving us life. You are magnificent. When someone smiles at you on the street, really feel that connection. When you taste your morning coffee, notice the warmth, the aroma, the comfort. I'll be honest, I used to rush through everything: meals, mornings, even moments of stillness. But when I started slowing down and treating the smallest parts of my day like they mattered, everything changed. Boredom doesn't exist when you're forever looking at the world with curiosity and appreciation. This is where the magic happens. You're going to start seeing everyday moments as opportunities for beauty and meaning. Try this. Work somewhere in your home where you can see outside. Take nature walks and pick a color. Really start noticing it everywhere. Journal about your favorite everyday moments with this prompt. Today, I found unexpected beauty in, and here's my favorite: smile at everyone. Say good morning, hello, or good evening to whoever you pass. This simple act of connection can completely shift your mood and theirs. Remember, the world is magnificent, but everything can seem small and insignificant until you choose to expand it through attention, curiosity, and meaning. This is about nourishing your mind-body-spirit connection through presence. Listen, you don't have to do this alone. Start with just one of these strategies this week. Notice how it feels to slow down, to savor, to treat your life like the precious gift it is. Your healing journey doesn't require perfection. It requires presence. And balance is key. Some days you'll rush, and that's okay. This is about building a practice that brings you back to the zest and joy that's already within you. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, which strategy are you going to try first? And if you're ready to become the CEO of your own health and happiness, hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started on this holistic wellness journey together. Until next time, remember, you are worth showing up for every single day.